Have you ever wondered how your weather app instantly knows the temperature outside? Or how a travel website can show you flight options from hundreds of different airlines all at once? The magic behind this is not really magic, it's something called an API. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what that is. Welcome to the Dev Dictionary, the channel where we make tech topics easy to understand. Today we're exploring one of the most important concepts in all of software, the API. So what does API even stand for? It means Application Programming Interface. Let's break that down. An application is any software with a distinct function, like the Facebook app or your weather app. Programming is, well, the process of building that application. The key word here is interface. Think of an interface as a point where two different systems meet and interact. An API is a secure and standardized way for applications to talk to each other. To make this crystal clear, let's use an analogy everyone can understand. A restaurant. Imagine you are the customer in a restaurant. You are the application that needs something. You want to order food, but you can't just walk into the kitchen and start cooking. The kitchen is the server. It's a complex system with its own rules, ingredients, and processes. You don't know how it works, and you don't need to. So how do you get your food? You use the menu. The menu lists all the available dishes you can order. It tells you what the kitchen can prepare for you. In the tech world, this menu is like the API documentation. It tells a developer what requests they can make to a service. To place your order, you talk to the waiter. The waiter is the crucial link between you and the kitchen. You give your order, your request, to the waiter. The waiter then goes to the kitchen, communicates your specific order, and the kitchen prepares it. The waiter is the API. They take your structured request and deliver it to the system that can fulfill it. Finally, the waiter brings your food back to your table. This is the response. The kitchen didn't come to your table, and you never went into the kitchen. The interaction was handled entirely by the waiter, the API. This process ensures that you get what you want and the kitchen is protected from direct chaotic access. Let's apply this to a real-world digital example, a weather app. When you open the app and type in London, your app, the customer, needs the latest weather data for London. The app itself doesn't have a weather station. It needs to get this information from a weather service, like AccuWeather or a national weather service. This service has all the data on its server, the kitchen. Your app makes a request through the weather service's API, the waiter. The request might look something like this: get weather for city equals London. The API takes this request to the weather service's server. The server finds the data for London, packages it up neatly, often in a format called JSON, and sends it back. The API then delivers this data response to your app. Your app doesn't show you the raw code. Instead, it uses that data to display the nice icons of a sun or a cloud and the temperature in big, clear numbers. The app and the server never talked directly. The API made it all happen securely and efficiently. So why are APIs so important? There are three main reasons. First, modularity. APIs allow developers to use existing services without having to build everything from scratch. Instead of building a whole payment processing system, a developer can just integrate with the Stripe or PayPal API. Instead of building a global mapping system, they can use the Google Maps API. This saves a huge amount of time and resources. Second, security. Just like the waiter prevents you from messing around in the restaurant's kitchen, an API prevents direct access to a server's database and internal logic. The API acts as a protective layer, only exposing the necessary data and actions, which keeps the underlying system safe. And third, innovation. APIs are what allow different services to connect and create entirely new products. A ride-sharing app uses a map API for navigation and a payment API for transactions. A travel aggregator uses flight APIs, hotel APIs, and car rental APIs to create a one-stop shop for your vacation planning. This interconnectedness is what powers the modern web. So the next time you log into a service using your Google account, check the forecast, or see a map embedded in a website, you can smile and know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. It's an API, the hard-working waiter of the internet, making sure applications can communicate effectively.